Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and Happy New Year's. Happy New Year, Happy New Year's. I'm not sure. Anyway, today I'm going to be making oven baked crispy chicken. So this is the chicken I'm going to be using. So first I just season it. I'm using onion powder. I'm going to show the seasonings I use in the description box below. Curry powder, some white pepper, ground black pepper, some garlic and pepper seasoning, some Caribbean spice seasoning, some paprika, this is just for color because we all know paprika has no taste, and some salt. Now just mix the whole thing together. I ended up just mixing it all with my hands. Because the spoon just wasn't doing the job. So I'm going to leave that to marinate for like 30 minutes. Next thing, I'm going to just cook it for another 30 minutes. 30 minutes alone. We don't want it fully cooked. Just add in a little water, then cook it. So now it's done cooking. I'm going to be making the rub for the chicken before I put it in the oven. So you need flour, baking powder, that's the baking powder, I don't really have measurements for this. Just measure with your eyes, I guess. Some more onion powder, some paprika, and some white pepper. Mix this all together. So this is the chicken after it's done cooking. So I'm going to and that's the pan I'm going to be baking them in. So I'm just going to rub the chicken in the flour mixture, then put it in the pan. And by the way, guys, at this time I already preheated my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This flour mixture is what's going to make the chicken come out crispy. So I'm done doing that. This is what the chicken looks like on the tray. I'm gonna dab the top of the chicken with some oil, just so it's not too dry. So I'm going to put this in the oven. But before I put it in the oven, I'm going to put some of that chicken juice. The juice I got from cooking the chicken. I'm going to put a little of that on top of the chicken, just for extra flavor. So I'm going to bake the chicken. So after baking the chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes, this is what it looks like. It came out looking so good. So I'm going to plate it with my rice. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment what you think, and subscribe. And also share with your family and friends. And if you try this recipe, you got post it on Instagram so I can see it.